Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharifana Nabila binti Said Bakar. I'm from A4CS1104B. Today I want to present about my mobile apps. As you can see, this is my mobile apps user interface. It has exam date, subject, save button, and list view. When user want to use this app, user must choose the date first. After that, input the subject and all of the information will be saved in this save button, and it will be display the exam date and the subject in this list view. We move on to the coding. This is my coding for the mobile apps. I use the tinydb to store the data. Firstly, in this variable, we going to save the timetable, which is all of this. The exam date and the subject will be saved in all of this. Next, we have the date picker. User can choose the day, the month, and the year, and all of the data that user input will be stored in this join block, and the data will be displayed in this list view. After that, button 1. This button is for the save button. It needs to get the subject, and the subject will be added to the list view so that it can show the subject and the date for each subject. Also, we need to save it in tinydb so that the data will not be lost even if the app is closed. Lastly, in this variable, we used to get the value from the tinydb to show it in the list view. Now, let's test the app. So, this is my exam timetable apps. First, user need to choose the date, and then the subject. Example, discrete, and then save, and the information will be displayed in this list view. And again, coding, state, 20, save. This is coding input. And again, digital, Okay. Okay. And save. And this is the digital subject input.